Try nyo tong super cute, masarap, and madali lang gawin na Christmas gift idea. Hey friends, hindi pa rin ako makaget over na hindi kami nakapag-Christmas ham last year because I forgot to buy. So this year, hindi na talaga pwedeng mangyari yan. Lalo na ang dali lang naman palang makabili ng Christmas ham. Hindi ko na kailangan lumabas ng bahay, same-day delivery, and ang dami pang options. May whole, pre-sliced, smoky, Hawaiian, and may chicken version pa nga. Super convenient talaga sa Grab. Since Christmas is about sharing, I bought ingredients sa GrabMart so we can make something na ipapadala natin as gift. Easy lang to, promise. Mix mayonnaise and mustard tapos spread a thin layer sa puff pastry sheet. Top with cheese slices, yung Christmas ham natin, and another layer of puff pastry. Cut into strips tapos we'll shape it like a Christmas tree then secure with wooden skewers. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes then top it with cheese stars. In a saucepan, melt butter with some garlic and finish with fresh parsley. Brush natin yan all over the tree and there you go. Ang cute, diba?